Hi Becky, my name is Mo from MarkNative. I believe you spoke to my associate Jessica and she let me know that you'd be interested in checking out the video we have for you. So here we are. So today I'm going to be going over a couple of things that you can start doing for free to help positively impact your business and bring more customers in. So hopefully by the end of this video you get something out of it and you can start implementing these strategies yourself. All we ask is that you could just leave us a one-liner, just let us know if the video is helpful. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Three things I'll be focusing on today are content, backlinks, and citations. We'll be going over each of these as we move along in the video. So the very first item on the list today is content. So as you could see, I have your website pulled up here. So what I'm doing right now, just quickly scanning for content, and I'll tell you the reason why we look for content. Definitely a nice website for sure. I really like the all of the services listed up here. Phone number, I would like it to be bigger and kind of like a call to action button right on top of their face. Maybe some sort of like form that customers could fill in would should help also. But in terms of content, Google like to see at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page of any website. The point of that is, so while the Google algorithm is actually going through each website and reading all the content, it's trying to pick up for the keywords, right? So the more content you have, the more buyer intent keywords that you could actually stuff in within the content itself. Buyer intent keywords, what do we mean by that is what people like you and I will actually search for when we're looking for services. So heating and cooling companies near me, right? Or just like very specific keywords such as heating and cooling company in Chatsford, PA. Okay, so this keywords over here will actually determine, what keywords that you actually get found for. So what I did basically the same thing here. I just typed in those keywords and then I looked for who will be your top competitor. These are ads, so we could ignore those, but organically these guys over here, Chatsford, climatecontrol.com, they're basically your top one competitor. So I also have their website pulled up here. They have a little bit of content on their website as well, but nothing too much, but definitely beatable for sure. So you need to be adding more content in your website, add in those keywords. Okay, and so let's see how many keywords your competitor is being found for. They're being found for 236 keywords. Okay, and you're being found for only 54. If we actually see some of their, as you can see, chatsfordclimatecontrol.com, I'm using a nifty tool called Ahrefs. This allows us to see everything on the back end side of any website. So what we're doing, we're just kind of diving into the back behind the scene. So let's see. Okay, air conditioner repair, Malvern. Okay, that's 40 searches. Keyword difficulty is 0 in a scale of 0 to 100. That just shows how easy or hard it is to rank on their website, and the position shows at what number they are. So even though they're being found for a good amount of keywords there, plumber, Kennett Square, PA, right? So they're getting, so this keyword over here is getting 70 searches per month, but they're not grabbing any traffic from their 21. Okay, they're in number 21 in Google. So feel free to pause and look through these keywords. They're not really doing that good in terms of keyword either. So definitely we could beat them out there. So let's see what you're doing here. Plumbing contractor, Westchester, PA, that's 10. Chad's AC, 100. Complete plumbing services, 100. Okay, but 0 traffic there because you're number 33. Okay, as I mentioned, feel free to pause here and look through the keywords as well. Okay, so second thing that actually determines how well you rank on Google's search results is backlinks. So you have 10,300 backlinks, and I'll explain what backlinks are. let's see, and your competitor has 9,000 backlinks. Okay, so backlinks are basically just links from any website that's pointing back to your site. Links like hyperlinks, right? So when we read blogs and articles, you see hyperlinks, you click on that hyperlink, takes you to another site, right? So the more backlinks you have, the more popular you are in terms of in terms of Google's eyes, right? So the more popular you are for your relevant industry, the higher you actually rank for those keywords and for that niche, right? Now they have 9,000 and you have 10, but they're still ranking higher than you because of the quality of the backlinks. Okay, do not pay attention to the quantity. It does play a role, but not as a bigger role of the quality of it. As you could see, you're getting backlinks from Longwood's Garden, right? So this really doesn't have much to do with your industry. As you could see, these are kind of spammy, as we may call it. Your competitor is also doing that, so definitely you want to be getting backlinks from reputable sites that are actually niche down, and they're actually talking about heating, cooling, or plumbing, right? So you want to get links from them. So last thing I want to talk about is citations. Citations are basically anywhere your website, your business name, address can be found in. It could be directories, okay, like Angie's, Home Advisors, anywhere like that. So the more places you are, the higher you rank. You're not doing too bad in terms of citations. I see you're number 3. Definitely top guys will be taking more of the clicks, but you're getting a good amount, but probably not as much. But you definitely want to focus on ranking higher organically on the Google's search results. I did see that you're over here. The higher you up, the more clicks you'll get, obviously, right? So I hope this was helpful. If you do have any question, feel free to reach out to me. Once again, my name is Mohammed Shane. I go by Mo from MarkNative. Feel free to give me a call or email me. Thank you. I hope you have a good day. Bye-bye.